Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report. Repair also for chainsaw in Kentucky. It's Connex 4800 DXL. Chainsaw won't go through everything we had to do to this. I sent you that in an email, so I got that squared away. Got the talk back turned on it now, and I do run a Superstar. I know you're running noise canceling, but
1 2 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Oh yeah.
No issues at all there with the talk back. I don't like top back. Got you a new meter in here. It had no receive basically on sideband and very low on AM. We got all that lined out as well. Got the final situation lined out. A pretty good little project on this one, but you've been waiting for a long time, so it was your turn to burn. As you can see, it's actually on frequency now at the 12 o'clock position. Go ahead and show you here with the low power 50 watt slug. Per the request, there's 4 watts. And let me show you 100 watt scale. Hello, 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 hello. 100 watts in the duct plucking corner. Pull that out and put the 250 in. Hello, 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 hello. It's about 110 right there. So we're gonna go to high power. 50 watt slug, 20 watts. Hello, 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 50 bird. Hello, 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 hello. About that same 105, 110. All right, chainsaw, it's ready to come to you, bud. Hope you enjoy this rare bird. It is definitely 100% ready to go now, and make you a really nice radio. Oh, somebody's asking about all this power. It had a pre-installed RFX 95 HD kit on it. I do sell these, but I did not install that one. So those of you who's wondering, well, how in the world is he getting over 100 watts out of it? There you go. All right, truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.